Alright, we have here a box. It should be the parts for the Kenmore. So, a lot of foam bits in here. So those will be exciting to clean up later. Alright. Here are the two wrapped parcels inside there. And yeah, I'd just given up looking for parts for this 1970s Kenmore when I checked eBay one more time and came across a listing that seemed to have what I needed in it. So we'll open this up and look. Now, this bag is looks like, oh, this is going to be the stitch width parts, it looks like. This is going to be the bracket behind one of the front knobs on the machine. And then in this package there is this taped up piece here. This is the stitch length selector knob, which we do not need. And then this piece, no, wrong. This was the stitch width because it starts S and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the stitch length from 0 and then 12 stitches an inch, because this is the stitch length. So Singer marks in stitches per inch. So most other machines copy Singer. So this is 0, 12, 10, 8, 6 stitches an inch. And it's got the cover for the inside of that. And then the darning selector knob to raise and lower the feed dogs, none of which we need. I'm hoping the last part here, because haha, here it is. This is the stitch selector knob. This should set right in here on this machine to select the 4 cams that it has for the stitch selector. So now that I have this knob, I can set about taking the C-clip off the underneath of the assembly that is on there and then setting this knob in place with the correct levers in the right spot so it will select off of the cams. Oh, and there's one more thing in here. What is this piece? Find out what else I got in this bundle of parts. Oh, the light switch button. Or, no, this is the reverse button. It's the reverse button. So, alright. Fantastic. With our selection of parts, we will be able to hopefully get the Kenmore 1318, get this knob on there, and get it put back together so I can get it off my work table and out of my garage.